like and subscribe.
See you next video. Bye guys. See you boys there. And you can turn your camera off.
No. Oh my god, this is not happening again. This is not happening again. Hey, why are you being loud?
I'm not being loud.
What the hell is that for?
I'm not being loud. Let's go.
Let's go downstairs.
Bye.
I swear to God, if you're going to keep slamming the door, you're out of the room. I swear to God, this will not happen again. I swear to God. Don't slam the door. I swear.
I like Adam so much.
No, I like Adam. Why are you saying that? What? Hey! Slamming doors.
Oh my god. I don't know why.
Oh my god, what was that for? What's for the slamming doors? What? Stop it. You're not gonna block me.
I will not.